Ajde, Janči, ajde. Nice. Ajde.
Juj!
To, bravo.
Živčna vojna, di, o!
Bravo.
Di, tak, o!
Nice. Nice.
For me, the hard part was the jump, and especially like the last jump, because it was tiring to climb with all the gear, and the last jump wasn't that easy, and I didn't know if I will make it. So actually, for me, the crux pitch was actually the pink one.
Ajde, Janči.
Malo pober.
O, nice.
Skoro sem padla, sorry.
O. Top.
Jej!
Nice.
Nice, Ru!
O, to mi bili.
To.
To. On our second try, we were much faster, more confident, and had like no problems until the black turtles. Ajde, Janči, ajde.
Ne! Ne, no! Oh! I trusted myself that when I go again from the start, I will top the route.
Ajde, Janči, ajde. Ajde, ajde, ajde. Aj, Janči. Aj, Janči, ajde. O, nice, to. Nice. Okay, plezam.
Okay.
When I came to the turtles, I was really surprised that I'm feeling this good, because the last time I felt like horrible on every move.
I don't. Ajde. Ajde, 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 ajde. Drži, nice. Ajde. Ajde. Nice.
I felt really good. I was like, wow, I'm gonna do it. And at that point, the focus went off, and
Ajde, 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 ajde. Nice. I don't.